Yeah, but Eziawa na Orsu. Our ball na get on live now. Eziawa na Orsu. Ana agba match. Na ama akpara. Eziawa na Orsu. Eziawa yi yellow. Orsu yi blue. Passing that ball now.
Okay, you have the free to play that ball.
Now wow.
Offside.
There were a lot of spectators. There were a lot of spectators. If you miss ball, don't miss leg. Haja hayata, yes. Keba ya hayata.
Ona gisha ni pampa.
Ebe ball.
Oh, jail no problem.
So ebe ya hayata nje.
Amma ebe ka ya hayata.
Le coach Eziawa. Alonso.
They receive 3-1. Alonso ball get free change. Yes.
Yeah, bo Eziawa na Orsu.
Hello na la megido yensino gaya terani. Hello megide. Hala megide. Hello na la megido yensino gaya terani. This morning I pass the clip. Anybody around you who is not happy to see you move, somebody know fire 7 times. Yeah. Somebody run fire, Hello, Megide. Hala Megide. Hello, Hala Megide. Hello, Megide. Hala Megide. Hello, Hala Megide. That is my declaration for the year 2021. I declare it to you hearing me, in that family, in that house, in that country, in that state. Hello, Megide. Hala Megide. Hello, Nala Megide. Yes, hello, Megide. Hala Megide. Hello, Nala Megide. Yes, 2021. Whoever that say you go remain like this, somebody roll fire. Whoever that say your 2021 nothing could come out, I'll frustrate their prophecy. Hello, Megide. Hala Megide. Hello, Nala Megide. Yes, I want you to join me in this declaration. Whoever that say your 2021 will not produce, we release a judgment word against them. I know some of you don't understand that song. He said, let the heaven judge them. Let the earth judge them. Those who say it will never be well with me. Yeah. Hello, Megide. megide. Hala megide. Hello na hala megide onye si n'ọga ya dịrị anyị na mma. Hello megide.
The only person to preach Biafra to you and you will listen are those who are under our central command, IPOB, of course, with Radio Biafra. Anything else, I must warn you. These are vultures and they are vagabonds that are very poor and wretched. They think Biafra is the means through which and by which they can survive. These are wretched people and failures in their field of endeavor. Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say we never warned you.